Is it better to amend a tax return or face tax evasion charges? Have you ever wondered what the best course of action is if you realize there's a mistake on your tax return? Should you amend it or risk facing tax evasion charges? This is an important question that many taxpayers grapple with. Tax evasion is a serious issue. It is defined as willfully trying to avoid paying taxes that you owe. This includes actions like submitting false information or failing to report income. The penalties for tax evasion can be severe. Fines can reach up to $100,000 for individuals and $500,000 for corporations. Additionally, you could face imprisonment for up to 5 years. On the flip side, amending a tax return is a way to correct any errors or omissions. If you realize you made a mistake, filing an amended return allows you to disclose additional income or fix errors. This action can help reduce the risk of criminal prosecution. However, it is essential to approach this carefully. If the Internal Revenue Service suspects that your amended return is hiding something, it could lead to an audit or even a criminal investigation. There's also a voluntary disclosure program available. This program encourages taxpayers to admit mistakes before the Internal Revenue Service starts an investigation. If you comply with the program's terms, including paying any owed taxes and penalties, you may avoid criminal prosecution. However, simply amending your return does not guarantee protection from criminal charges, especially if it appears that you are admitting to wrongdoing. From a conservative viewpoint, compliance with tax laws is vital. Supply-side economics emphasizes the importance of a fair tax system that encourages growth. Republicans often advocate for lower tax rates and less regulation, but they also stress the need to enforce tax laws. Timely and accurate filing or amending of returns aligns with the principles of personal responsibility and respect for the law. If you find errors in your tax filings, the best course of action is to amend your returns promptly. If the mistakes are significant, consider using the Voluntary Disclosure Program. This approach minimizes the risk of penalties and criminal charges. It also helps maintain a transparent tax system that supports free market economics. In essence, amending a tax return is a safer option than facing tax evasion charges. While you must be cautious when making amendments, it provides a legal way to correct mistakes. Facing tax evasion charges can lead to serious consequences that far outweigh the risks of making a voluntary correction. This approach aligns with conservative values that promote lawful compliance and economic freedom.